Four-story apartment design in ARCHICAD. We're going to design a four-story apartment in ARCHICAD. I will go to new ARCHICAD 2022 drawing. Then I'll go to documents more, activate grid element. I want to draw my grid from that point, a distance of maybe 20,000. Then this grid should be labeled A. Then I'll move it, drag a copy, I'll drag a copy from that point, a distance of 2500. Enter. Then again move, drag a copy, a distance of 3300. So make sure that you are working in correct units. I'm working in millimeters, so my working units are millimeter. Working unit for length are millimeters. And then make sure that also your dimensions are in plain millimeters. So if it is meter, check this and then okay. Then right click again. I've moved by a distance of 3300. Then move, drag a copy. So this one should not be 3300. We move this by a distance of 2500. Then I need to move this, drag a copy, by a distance of 2350. Then I'll move again. We try drag multiple copies. Move, multiply. So let's just go it slow by slow. Drag a copy, 2300, 3300 now. From there, move, drag a copy, 2800. Move, drag a copy from that point, 3300. Make sure you move it in horizontal, 3300. Move, drag a copy, 2350 from that point. Finally again move, drag a copy, 2500. So you can change these labels to B, C, E, F, G, H, I. A, B, C, then we jump D. So this one should be D, then E, and F, then G, then H. Again, now I will draw grids labeled from 1. So activate my grid element again. This time change this one to 1, 2, 3. I'll start with 1 from that point. A distance of about 26,000. Okay, then copy this, drag a copy, move, drag a copy from that point, 775. Move, drag a copy. You can hold shift, holding shift, then 775. So I select all of these grid element settings. Then I want to change the marker, the size. This one marker, the size, I want to change it to 6 millimeters. Text, change it to 2.5. Okay, and then I'll move this one a distance of 1800. Drag a copy, I can tap 1800 again, drag a copy from here. You can hold your shift to make sure, then holding shift, then type 2900. So let me first escape. Make sure you are following that tracker, then 2900. For that, drag by move, drag a copy by, let's say, 10, 25 millimeters. Again, move, drag a copy. Now escape it. I want to spread, move, multiply, spread, or just distribute. Want to distribute to vertical displacement 900. Just type 1800. Okay, as long as the distance from that point is 900. Then again I will move, drag a copy, 1025, 1025. So remember this one I copied twice, 900, 900. You can just do that the same instead of going that shortcut that may be a bit confusing. Then I'll drag a copy again 2900. So I can move these ones, just drag it from there to that point so that I'll have that allowance. Then I'll drag this, move, drag a copy a distance of 1800 from this point, 1800. Then move, drag a copy a distance of 775. Okay, so I want to change these settings, dimension settings. I change this to Time New Roman, but area is okay. Change it to black. Okay. Now let's can change these labels to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finally, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally 11. Okay. Now I can just dimension from that point, so that you can be able to tell in case you did some errors. Then can match property, this one, then inject. Okay, now again you can dimension this side. Now I'll go now to then expand that. So I'll right click and go to story, right click, Then story settings. I want story height. I want to insert story above. So this story to story height, I want it to be 3150, 3150. Then insert story above, story above. So this is first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Then insert story above. This is the water tank floor. Okay. Remember where we need to go back to ground story. Okay, so I will activate my wall tool. Go to design, wall, change this one to this first option, change this one to waterproof, that is fireproof. Change the thickness to 200. My walls be 200 thick. So not linked. And a height of 3 meters. Okay, from here, then change this one to center, because the grids are normally the center of a wall. So I'll go right click, wall settings. I'll override surfaces. Let me go to documents. Go to layers. So this, I want to change this one to wall selection settings. So I'll draw another wall from here, from that point, or that point. Let me just go back to that point, escape it. Then this wall is also from that point. That point. From that point. that point. I need another wall from this midpoint of that wall, a distance of about 1800 or 1900, just 1900. Okay, now change this wall to outside, and there. Now this one can just be stretched that point. Now again my wall, escape it, then from here change it now again to center that point. I have another wall going all the way, another wall about that point. So I'll draw another wall here, that way. Then I'll move this wall by 1000, move, drag a copy from here, 1000, select this, move, drag a copy, again 1000, I can hold control and trim that part. Okay, hold control, trim that part, then select that, hold shift, select that, then intersect just like that. This wall I will stretch this getting to that point, then I need that opening there. This one I'll stretch it to that point. I need another wall from here to there, that point, and another wall from there. This wall you can trim it here, holding control, or just come and select this trim, remove that. I can just move to that point. Okay, Now let's see the 3D view. Then you can come select this pickup parameter, then let me escape, pickup parameter, that one, inject, that one, control Alt plus C. So press control Alt, inject in all these. So maybe let's rotate this one, escape, properties, wall selection properties, this one should be brick brown. Okay, so again let's pick this parameter, then can press control plus Alt to inject in all these walls. Okay, escape it, just escape and move that and go back to ground. Now I want to add my doors, so I'll come and activate design, activate my door. I'll pick method. Okay, this wall can just move inside or inside. Okay, and then this door here, I'll need it to move. Let me delete this one. This wall can be moved, drag a copy from here a distance of 1200, then holding control to trim that, drag this to the end, that door I delete it, and then wall again. Now I hope that parameter has been copied automatically. Okay, again activate door, method door. Okay, so let's see the 3D. Let's go to this 3D view, select that, door selection settings, door leaf style. So this time, okay, handle, that handle, um, solid line, solid line, okay, then okay, that looks better. And can add other doors. Just trim this side, and then I'll add other door. This time I want to change this one to internal door. Okay, door selection settings. I'll change these settings to that one. Custom. Okay, I'll add other doors. That point. I can copy parameters. This one. That parameter. Then inject. Control Alt. Inject. So let's see the 3D. Okay, you can see the handle. Let's see if we can create handle. Door selection settings and change the handle to that one. Escape, then copy this parameter, and again now we can rotate. Yeah, I'm holding shift plus and press the scroll button to rotate. Then I will inject to that, holding control plus alt, inject to that, so that can now see the handles. Go back to ground floor, then and add other doors. Sorry for that noise. You can add other doors at this point. So that I can move this wall. Yeah, I just need to select that and move it that point. And then I'll add another door at this point. And this wall, I can move it. Holding shift, select also the doors. Then that wall all together, move, drag from that point, that point. Then another door, I want it here. Now this door, I want it to be instead of 900, 700. Okay. I need another wall here. Another wall there. And another wall about 100, that point. So I'll go to tools, I'll go to documents, go to tools, I want to select furniture layout. Like that. I will uncheck this. Yeah. Okay, place it there. Then I can just maybe rotate it, move, rotate. Good. Setting, object selection settings. My dimensions and minimum spacings. Want to change this? No. Want to change this to this dimension, this sofa. Maybe change it. I want to change this dimension here. This one to maybe 600. This one to maybe 100. Um, 1800. Properties again. My wind I changed to 1000 instead of 100 and okay. Okay, I'll put it there. Then go again to tools. Appliances. TV. Let me search for TV. Panel flat. This one here. Just rotate it from there. Move it. Drag it from here. There. Then I will add my go to beds, double bedroom. Okay, then just move it at point. Rotate it from point, and I want to move it this time that point. Object settings, change this into about 1500. Okay, 1800. This one 1400, 1400. Just move it. 1500. Just move it to that point. Then tools, type WC. Okay, place it there. Rotate it. Move it there. Again, tools, add sink. Press it down. One this sink can be reduced to 500. By 500. Then another tool object, this time bath tube showers. need that type of shower. Yeah. Now this shower will be 900 by 450. Let's stretch it. Um, then I have a kitchen, so I'll activate that again. I have a kitchen here. There's my kitchen. Um, Select that wall, holding that wall, intersect, and then wall thickness, let's say 300. Then I'll select all these, move, drag from this point, that point, undo, just holding shift to select that, drag from that point, escape, holding shift and check that, move, drag from this corner, that corner, then move, drag from that point, point. Then I'll select all of this, then deselect all grids, move this, move, drag from there to there, so let me undo what I've just done because I wanted to uncheck that, move, drag. So let's just delete these links. We'll use another type of select all that, holding shift and select all grids, then I'll mirror, move by mirror a copy from that point, select all that, holding shift and select all grids, so let me first move this grid by a distance of drag a copy, distance of about 1400. I just want to know that midpoint before I can mirror this, and unselect all grids, where all grids have been deselected apart from these two, then move by mirror copy that point, select the 3D, then I'll activate my staircase, select, I want to select landing. My width should be about 1200. That width is too small. From that point, that is my landing. That point. Then I'll move it. That point. Then selection settings. Riser. Okay, let me reduce this one to 1100. Okay, so let's say that's 3D view of our staircase. Okay, now I'll add another wall. Now this time this wall from this point, this wall is up to the which floor? So let me right click, solid settings, is 12 450 up to fourth floor. 12 450, and then I have a window here. It is to story. Height is about 11,500. about width of about 24 or 2500. Okay, then I want to select, go to window selection settings, go to flame and search, go to search options, then HV, pane numbers. So for vertical, I'll have there 3 about 20, horizontal about 8. So let this one be 24. Okay. So if you go to 3D, you can see what we have just done. So this one, let me use 600. Okay. So I'll go back to ground floor. Another wall, yeah. You can save this one. Desktop G5 apartment and save. So about this point, I have a lobby. Now change this one. This one is 300. Change this one to 200. I have a lobby here. Let me move, drag. Let me see the distance. Okay, I need to make it from here. Let's say 120 or 150. And I will add my door. This time go select storefront, entrance double door. Change this one to let this one be also about 2400. 2400. That is too big. Escape. I just need to use the just 2000. Will be okay. Okay, so let's go to 3D. Just rotate it. Oops, I forgot to add my windows. So I'll add my windows. Windows, go to custom, then so let me undo this window. I need a window of about that window. Okay, then I'll change this window type that okay, use 600 by 900. This one now will be so 1500, 1600. Okay, all those points. So I will select all these windows, holding shift, um, and move, mirror a copy about these mirror a copy so let me undo. Can't do that, so let me just add them manually. Select and activate tool, just add them manually. Okay, so I'll just change this one. Okay. Add wall 300 by 200 and move, multiply, one hundred, move, multiply, 100. Holding shift, move, drag a copy, move, drag a copy, mirror, copy, I'll select all of these. Change row selection settings. holding shift, vertical displacement is 0. I'll add slab. So slab, polygon. My slab is this one, 0. Then this one will be 150. So escape. This is just ground floor. Then slab. Then negative 150. Okay. And hold shift D for 50. Move, drag multiple copies. Move, drag multiple copies. There. Escape this one. Negative 300. This one negative 450. add, let's see, ready. Okay, something like that. Then I'll select everything and select grid. Select and activate tool, Control all. Okay. Then I'll copy. Then we'll go to story 1, paste. And let's see it's ready. Just remove these steps. For selection settings, for selection settings, let me go back to plan view. I select here. Then I want to subtract from polygon. I want to subtract this point. And then select here, subtract from polygon. I want to subtract that point. There's a void there. Select, subtract from polygon. I want to subtract that point. Then this is the void, and because this is a staircase, so I'll go to here, black, again, yeah, inject copy parameter, inject parameter. So I'll select all of these and rotate. I'm holding shift. So let me select that one, that one. Then pressing the scroll button to rotate. that and that. Change this to 1000. Okay. I'll select all these windows. I put still to story to 1600 by mistake. So that is an error. Now this one is 1000. And again, this wall, okay, let's say this wall is going from um, story settings up to 9300. This one is 9300. Go to story 1. Remove, there is no gate here. Okay. So ARCHICAD is hanging a bit. Let's give it a few minutes to stop hanging. Try to press escape. This is ARCHICAD 2022. Still hanging. Okay, I closed and reopened the recovery. So you can just do that. So this is where we are. Can hold shift. So I'll select this wall. Select and activate all walls. So let me see if I can inject this parameter. Okay, no problem. I'll go to story 1. You are here. Now I select that, select here. add to polygon. I want to add up to that point. Okay. I can go to that 3D, pick that. This wall has a height of 9,300. Now we can go to that view. So I'll pick these and that, then delete. Window, then copy parameter, that parameter, inject, that parameter, and then inject to this window. Now this time the height will change. The height will be about 800. Let's see the 3D. Change the height to 8,000. Okay. Hold shift plus scroll button to just rotate like that. Then I can go to this floor, activate my railing, at point. Okay. So let me see the 3D. Okay, our staircase have a railing now. Now we can move again to 0 and then add railing again. That point. Let's see the 3D. Just rotate. Okay. Now go back to story 1. Select everything again. And just unselect the grids. And activate and select all dimensions. Okay. Now we will need again to unselect this wall, and that window has not been selected. That wall. Just control all. Then uncheck these grids. And uncheck this wall and this wall. Copy. Go to story 2, paste, keep current view, original location, paste. See the 3D. Then I'll go to story 3, paste. Original location. Make sure this one is checked and paste. Click outside. And again, story 4, paste. Paste. Click outside. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now these, all of these, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 4 stories. So this wall need to increase height by that 150. That will be 10 or 50. I mean 12 for 50. So this door need to go up to 11,500. Now this is 11,800. Remove this to 400. Let's see. Okay. Now this one again need to move. This is first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Right now, this one need to move by 15. Now this one will be 50, 600. Okay. Fifteen or 50. Now this door, this window by about 14. first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and then the roof. This time again I will um, go to this, just pick that, copy. I'll go to the fifth. I'm just copying the slab, paste. Again, keep original. So again, I'll go to old story, um, select all these edge walls only. Okay. This time again, copy. Um, fifth floor, paste. Click outside. Select all windows. Control A, delete all of them. Select all walls. Right click. Select and activate. Control A. I want these walls to be um, about 1200. And um, now this one was going on about 50. So I'll go back to story 5. Can trim these parts. Or just this one can be left just like that. Um, 200. Then these walls for staircase can just go up to 3000. Okay, so we want to go to story. You don't have that story, so I'll go to story settings, start story above. Okay, just 1200. Okay, so select those. Now this one is again 200, not 300. I want this to move to that story to 3000. Okay, 'Then I'll move to story 6. Right click, show and trace reference, and move to story 6 and create other walls, or just slab. Then other walls here. Now this time that is just 1200. Column, activate column, round column, apply. About 1200, and then okay, I'll place it there and there. Escape. Yes, I need this one. Then let's do 3D. This can change because it's water tank to 1500. And go back to story 1. Activate section tool. Section tool. Okay. And you can go to document or creative imaging, photorealistic projection. I'll go to view map. Then we want to south elevation. We have south elevation. Then view map is elevation. So I can go to view map, then working sheet. Let's go to this one, A1. Let's create, this is layout books. Go to A1 landscape. I'll go to view map, and then first story, drag it here. I'll place on layout. Okay, let me first open all of this. I will open my open a new tab. So that one I'll just delete it. Then this wall here, the reason I can't see my staircase, there are two walls here. Now this wall is going from here, can either drag or add that 150 to 18 600 600. Because I need to see my staircase in that this elevation, and my window is going to 17 or so if I go to north elevation, it's updating. We will now be able to see the staircase through this window, and see that view. Now can go to view map or this. Maybe this television and move, but there's no problem. I just change the position, then can see that bedroom. So thanks for watching. I don't know why I'm not able to drag to my this one, because I think I should be able to drag to my working layout, but let's see, still not possible. So I will see you in my next video.